Hey there, so I have this terrible watermark here that was left by my peaches. I won't do that again. And then I looked at a video on YouTube onto how to take these apart. And this one had the most comments. You could use vinegar with baking soda, you could use toothpaste, you could use warm water, you can use an iron with a cloth, but I've chosen this one. This is going to be a hairdryer. So let's see how it goes. So it's been about 3 minutes and it looks like more than maybe 2/3 of this is gone. So here we are at the 6.5 minute mark and it looks like it is almost done. So here we are at the 10-minute mark. These two little pieces are almost gone. This piece is almost gone, but this X is still here. So it looks like it's breaking apart through the middle. So let's keep going. And here we are approaching the 15-minute mark, and these two little pieces have completely gone, and this X is still stubborn in here. So it's taken about 45 minutes for it to be 99% gone. I'm tired, but there it is. You can actually take out water stains on wood with a blow dryer. It just honestly takes forever, so grab a book. Okay, that's it. Bye.